Good morning and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Nemo and today I'm vlogging on my new camera. I got a GoPro Hero 9 and I freaking love it so far. I have a lot of plans on things I'm gonna do. Ignore my messiness. Yesterday I went on YouTube and checked my subscriber count and I hit 20 subscribers. So thank you so much. That's all I can say. I'm so grateful that so many of you have chosen to subscribe. You really like me that much. I'm touched. But no, for real, thank you so much. I'm just going to get on with the rest of my day. Alright, I have my swimsuit on and I'm about to go lay out, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to take care of this hair and refresh the green on this side. Alright, it's the next day and my hair is done, and I've gotta say, it's reminding me very much of a watermelon, very watermelon-esque. Sorry for my voice, I just woke up not too long ago and my allergies drive me nuts. Had to take some of my allergy medication. I don't know what I'm doing today, probably not much. I'm gonna go make me some eggs, have breakfast, some coffee, and yeah. Look at this chunk. So I've been told by the vet and other Doberman owners that he is a chunky boy that needs to go on a diet. But I think what I'm first gonna do is start walking him in the evenings and see if we can shed the weight that way. I've been bad about walking him. I have not taught him how to properly walk on a leash, so it's kind of a pain in the butt when I take him anywhere. So maybe it'll do us both some good to just get him out, get him active, and get him leash trained. Oh look, my lens is fogging up. How fun. It is the next day and I did take Duke for a walk. I worked with him on the prong collar and he's kind of getting the hang of it, but still a lot of correcting. It's kind of a pain in the butt if I'm being honest, but hopefully he'll get to where I don't have to correct as much. We just took a walk around the block and I was done, he was done. We were both real hot, so came home, got him some water. I got in the pool, laid out for a bit, played with Zoe. And now I'm inside and I think I'm gonna work on my diamond art that I've had since December. See how much I've done here, sort of. But it's real pretty. My husband got me this as a Christmas gift, and it took me 3 days just working on this literal one section here to get it done, but I think I'm going to start on the next section down, and yeah, I think that's the plan for now. Okay, that's all I'm doing with that for now. I tell you what, that shit is so tedious. So tedious, if you couldn't tell. It took me probably an hour just to do that much. I mean, it's pretty intimidating. That's why I had started like in January, I think. And then I did it like pretty consistently for a while. And then I took like 3 or 4 months, maybe even 5 months off, because it's just so much. It's just so much to do, and it's so overwhelming, but there is an end in sight. I'm over halfway done, so I'm probably 3/5 of the way done in total if I had to put an estimate on it, but I'm done with that for now. I'll probably get back in the pool later. That's why I still have my swimsuit on, but for now, I'm just gonna chill out and watch some TV and eat some lunch. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, and we are headed out to church. Just waiting for service to start. We are home from church. It was a really good sermon. It's always good, but it was especially good today, in my opinion. Now we're home making rice and salmon for lunch. Ooh, bad lighting. And the pot's overflowing, that's fun. It's also super hot out today and sunnier than I expected, so we'll probably be going to the pool later today. They're just sunbathing. X-Night on the full day. Hello again, and it is Monday, and my allergies are driving me nuts. I need to take some allergy medication. Okay, that's gonna take about 30 minutes to an hour to fully kick in. And after that, we're gonna be heading to Sam's Club to hopefully find a lot of back to school clothes for the kids, maybe some supplies, and then probably hit up Walmart as well for whatever we don't find there. We need to get all new backpacks and everything. Last year, we did not get new backpacks or lunch boxes because with the pandemic and everything, we just didn't know if school was going to shut back down or not, if there was going to be a need for backpacks for very long. But surprisingly, school stayed open the whole year. I'm still a little unsure of this year, but their backpacks are just worn out. We're going to be getting new stuff today and hoping that school stays open this year. Hopefully we don't get sick. Hopefully our community stays pretty healthy. So we're going to do the school shopping. It is officially time to change this counter. We've been updating it every 10 days because every single day would be a lot, but we are now down to 90 days, and this trip is actually a little up in the air right now. I will talk more on that later, but yeah. Well, we didn't find much at Sam's, so we are on our way to Walmart. We did find a couple pair of jeans for both the girls and socks for both of them as well. So at least we got that much, but we just dropped off what we had of that stuff from Sam's, and now we're heading to Walmart and then to H-E-B to pick up groceries. Okay, we've got pretty much all the shopping done. I think all we needed to get left is shoes, and that's just gonna have to wait for another day because we have been all over the dang place today, and frankly I'm exhausted and I can't stand to go anywhere else with my children today. I am so ready for school to start back. Parents, holla if you feel me. So yeah, that's that. I'm so ready for summer to be over, dude. I'm so ready to be able to come home and just have a quiet house again. It's such a nice feeling to come home to a quiet house. Just my dogs. Just my sweet little puppies. I love my kids, but oh, they drive me crazy by the end of the summer. Like, for real. Drive me crazy. And I'm just ready for some peace. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this vlog, I think. This is probably the most boring vlog you ever did see. I don't know why you watched it this far. Like, what are you still doing here? For real though. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy this for whatever reason. I now have, by the way, it's been like several days since I filmed the intro to this. I now have 22 or 23 subscribers, which, dude, thank you so much. Like, thank you. For real. I will definitely still be doing more stuff with my hair, but like I said, I do like my hair the way it is, and I need to give this pink little time catch up. It's catching up, if you can tell. I know it's in a ponytail now, but like, it's not nearly as bright as this side is now, so maybe that can even the field a bit with fading, and we can get that. And one of my kids is calling for me again, so anyway, that's the end of this. I will see you in the next one. Bye.